Hey, it's me, Banzig again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a nail design based off of a thought that popped in my head. Why not use this blue nail polish from Beetles to make like a rain themed nail set? Now I recorded this voiceover earlier, but for some reason it was kind of wonky. So to cover this first 30 seconds, I am just kind of, covering the time. But here starts the real voiceover. Hope you enjoy. Hey y'all, so here I am with another video. This time I decided to kind of talk y'all through what my thought process is when I'm doing my dramatic nails. I'm sure my followers, those of you who do follow me, have seen my like butterfly mania nails or my Valentine nails or my Black History Month nails. I tend to be a little over the top. So I'm trying to tone it down, trying to use less colors, but it probably won't last long. So like for this set, I'm calling it Rain Down on Me, because that was what I was thinking about when I came up with this nail design idea. Now, I'm a noob to the whole nail experience per se, but I consider myself a nail enthusiast. I've always been doing my own nails. I always did my own hair. So now I'm learning more about it now that I'm, coming to the end of my first career. I'm dabbling more into the things I actually really love to do. So I'm learning how to do nails more. I'm usually more about the press-on nails or about nails that are already designed for me for the most part. But yeah, so I keep it simple, right? But I'm gonna learn how to do the other heavy-duty stuff that I see on the other nail enthusiast channels that I watch. Like for this particular set, I'm going with another basic set. Like pretty much you put on your nails, just a particular nail shape that you like. These were just clear medium coffin length nails. I love this blue that I got from my Beetles haul. It's like this, like almost translucent or not clear, but very jelly-like look to the nail. And I was like, oh, I gotta use it in something. And I instantly thought of water or rain when I first looked at it, like trying to come up with an idea of what I'm gonna do with it. So this is what I came up with. I wanted to have the base of the nail be more like, I don't know, darker, and then it kind of like radiates up to a clear tip, if that makes sense. I see a lot of people always do their nails with the tip in some type of color or something's on it. I like the clear tip. I want to see more nails with just the clear. Just have it ombre up to clear sometimes, or have what is it called? I'm always forgetting words. Old age is catching up with me, but it's called the word will come to me. Hold on. Frenchies. So I wonder what nails would look like with like a Frenchie style. Like you do everything that you're supposed to do to get your Frenchie going, but instead of coloring it, just leave it clear. I'm gonna fixate on this idea and I'm gonna start doing more nails with clear endings to the tip. Like this is gonna radiate up or ombre up to a clear tip. With the pinky, of course, colored in the full color of the nail. I'm driving if y'all hear a bunch of noise in the back. I kind of wanted to get the voiceover done because I got a couple other videos I got to do later. I'm doing this on the way back home from work. But yeah, I like the idea. I hope y'all like the idea too. But I'm going to have, this video is going to cover just kind of showing you what I did with getting it to look the way it looked. So showing y'all, hey, I'm actually doing the work behind the scenes. I know y'all see a lot of my short videos just showing you the finished effect. So if you wanted to see kind of like, hey, how the heck is she making this crap? Not crap, it's not crap. It's art somewhat. I like it. Hopefully you like it too. But yeah, this is my process. Right now it looks like I have to put this on layer by layer because if to gradiate up or ombre up to a clear tip, I gotta kind of play with it. And I have this cool little tool that has like this little blender on the end of it, as well as a jelly end or a stamper type end. The kind of stamper that you put like some polish on it, and then you stamp it like on the tip of your nail to give it that French look. But I'm only using the little spongy end because I kind of want to, I don't know, dab at the nail so the color's not so much towards the, as you gradiate up to the clear tip. But continue to watch. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like my nail paint, it's not really anything like acrylic adding on. It's more like manipulating your nail polish paints, you know, and then adding a bunch of charms to it. You'll see the charms that I add. To me, they look like raindrops. That's why I bought them. Too bad it only came in this one little jar though, so I'm gonna have to order a whole bunch if I'm gonna put it in my Amazon store. So that's hopefully gonna be coming soon. But I liked how it turned out. Hopefully you like it too. I can't wear these to work, of course, but if y'all want to try it out and what is it called, pin me in it, no, tag me in the video, I'll gladly watch it and hype you up to, you know, like, oh, here's the charms I was talking about. When you put them on the nail, they look like little raindrops to me. They're like little circles, and they're very reflective when you turn them to different parts of the light, if that makes sense. So I instantly thought of raindrops when I seen it. I was like, ooh, I got this blue polish. Ooh, I got these little clear charms I can use to kind of give that effect of rain being dropped on the nails and just stuck there. That's what I went with. Yeah, and I'm using my Beetles rhinestone glue to make sure they stay on, which is a very good glue. I didn't like their the one they have in the tube with the pointy end. I kind of usually get the pointier end glue bottles, if that makes sense, to, you know, have a more pinpoint area to, you know, put your charms on. But for some reason, they're the one they have in their bottle with the pointy tip. I can't think of the actual name of it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'll link it below. Well, actually I won't, because I won't recommend that one. It's very watery, and when you use it to put down your charms, the charms don't stay on as well. But the glue in the jar, the rhinestone glue in the jar, works really well. So highly recommend the one in the jar from Beetles. It competes with Macart. Now Macart in the bottle with the tip, with the pointer tip, works very well too. But anyway, I'm going off topic. Back to nails. So this nail design, I'm just, you know, now I'm adding on the charms to that are kind of circular and look like raindrops once you put them on. And then I'm adding like a little bit of pixie charms or rhinestones as well to give it a little bit more bling. But I'm not gonna do too much over the top. I'm not gonna fill the entire nail, but it will look very pretty. Now on the pinky, I'm saving it because I want to see what this polish looks like in matte, because I seen like a little peek of it on the Beetles website. Now when you paint this polish matte, it's also so pretty. It gives it a whole nother look. And then I'm gonna put the clear raindrop charms. That's what I'm gonna call them now. They're officially raindrop charms now. Oh, here I am going in with the matte top coat for the pinky here. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna put on these little raindrop charms, is what I'm gonna call them. And it's so cute. And on the pinky, I just did the full nail effect because I wanted to see what the matte really looked like, and it's so pretty. I was like, oh my god, I wish I could wear this. But hey, again, live vicariously. Let me see it. If you like this idea, it's really cute. It's really simple and easy. You don't have to be like a guru with the acrylics or nothing. You just put on your favorite press-ons and paint them with these gel polishes and use these charms. So pretty, so simple, and it looks professional. I love it. All right, I think I'm about done now. I think I'm gonna go do some cleanup, and then I'm gonna come back with some pictures. I really hope y'all enjoyed this set. Sorry for it being sped up. I'm really slow, even though this was an easy set to do. It took me about maybe 2 hours, so I wasn't gonna let y'all sit here for 2 hours watching me do this. So I didn't want y'all to get bored, but I wanted y'all to see that, hey, amongst my madness of the nails, I do take time to actually think out my process, what I'm gonna do, and it's not just thrown together. I'm not like the pictures I post are my actual work, if that makes sense. I've seen somebody else got blamed for stealing somebody's work. I'm like, no, that's not me. This is my mind going crazy at night when I can't sleep, and I just come up with this crazy stuff. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Again, I'll let y'all finish watching me put on more charms and stuff, and then I think this video is about 20 minutes long total with it sped up. If you have any questions or want to know where I got the charms, I'll try to link everything below. If something's not linked, just hit me up in the comments as well, and I'll make sure I get you the link to where the heck you can find the items. Okay? All right, y'all have a good time watching my videos, and let me know if y'all want me to try something else. All right, have a good night. Peace.